that morning, mostly the devotees were up at so early in the morning. Prabhupada to give lecture and answer questions. So we had just done many programs for purchasing the Mayapur land. And that time, one devotee asked Srila Prabhupada that if we are able to bring, because the topic of discussion was a lot there, the opening of the big temple. Prabhupada wanted the big temple built immediately in a few years. That if we, for the opening of the big temple, bring the President of the United States and the Queen of England to the opening, will Bhaktivinoda Thakur be pleased by that or not? So then Srila Prabhupada replied, if you bring the President of the United States and the Queen of England to the opening of the Mayapur temple, Bhaktivinoda Thakur will come down from Goloka Vrindavan, take you in his hand and hand back to Goloka Vrindavan, right on the spot. So if anyone is ambitious, I've already in London mentioned this, they at least have to, if they're queen, and that in America, who will bring the president? You say. So here Los Angeles is our biggest community in America. Here, of course, Mukunda is commuting back and forth. But there is your assignment for instant mercy. So London said, no problem. But I don't know about Los Angeles. No problem. Very nice. So this is a great opportunity.